Have you ever wondered why someone can turn $500 into $500,000 trading meme coins, but thousands of others lose everything trying to do the exact same thing? Every day, social media is flooded with screenshots. A trader turns $200 into $50,000. Another turns $1,000 into $1 million. And suddenly, everyone believes meme coin trading is easy. It looks like free money. It looks like the fastest path to financial freedom. It looks like the opportunity of a lifetime. But what social media doesn't show you is the graveyard. The thousands of traders who bought the same coin at the wrong time, held too long, ignored the warning signs, and watched their portfolios collapse. Today, we're going to uncover the real reasons why most meme coin traders lose money. And trust me, the reasons have very little to do with charts, very little to do with indicators, and almost nothing to do with intelligence, because some of the smartest people in crypto still lose money trading meme coins. Let's begin. Imagine two traders. Trader A spends months learning market psychology, risk management, position sizing, patience. Trader B sees a tweet. A random dog coin is pumping 300%. Everyone is screaming, "This is going to the moon." Trader B buys immediately. Who do you think makes money? Most people assume Trader A, but sometimes Trader B does. And that's exactly where the problem begins, because meme coins reward bad behavior, at least in the short term. A beginner can make 500% in a week, not because they're skilled, but because they got lucky. And when luck gets mistaken for skill, disaster follows. The trader starts believing they have a gift, a special ability, a secret edge. They stop respecting risk. They increase position sizes. They become more aggressive. And eventually, the market takes everything back. This is the first reason most meme coin traders lose money. They mistake luck for skill. The second reason is FOMO, fear of missing out. And meme coins are designed to trigger it. Think about it. Nobody gets excited when a stock moves 5%. Nobody rushes into a trade because a company gained 8%. But a meme coin? A meme coin can move 500% overnight, 1,000% in a week, 10,000% in a month. And suddenly, everyone feels like they're being left behind. You open Twitter, everyone is celebrating. You open Telegram, everyone is posting profits. You open Discord, people are talking about Lamborghinis, and your brain starts screaming, "Buy now." Not because you've analyzed the opportunity, not because you've studied the project, but because everyone else seems to be getting rich. The fear of missing out becomes stronger than logic. And here's the cruel part. Most traders buy near the top, because excitement is highest near the top. By the time the average person hears about a meme coin, the early buyers are often preparing to sell, which means the late buyers become exit liquidity. They are literally buying from people who are already taking profits. Now let's talk about the third reason, greed, the silent account killer. Let's say you buy a meme coin. It doubles. Most professional investors would be thrilled. A 100% return is incredible. But meme coin traders? Many aren't satisfied. They want 10x, 50x, 100x, 1000x. And because they're chasing life-changing money, they ignore good profits. A trade goes up 200%, they hold. Up 500%, they still hold. Up 1000%, they still hold. Then the crash begins. At first, they aren't worried. It's just a pullback. Then it drops 30%, then 50%, then 70%, then 90%. And suddenly, the trader who was once sitting on massive gains is back where they started, or worse. This happens every day, not because traders don't know how to buy, but because they don't know how to sell. Taking profits sounds simple until real money is involved. Now let's talk about the fourth reason. Almost nobody talks about. Most meme coin traders don't have a plan. Before entering a trade, ask yourself, where will you buy? Where will you sell? How much are you risking? What would make you exit early? Most traders can't answer those questions. They buy first and think later. They're making emotional decisions, not strategic decisions, and emotional decisions are expensive. The market doesn't care how confident you feel. It doesn't care about your hopes. It doesn't care about your dreams. The market rewards discipline and punishes impulsiveness every single time. Now let's talk about the fifth reason, the belief that every meme coin will become the next big thing. People see stories about coins that exploded. What they don't see are the thousands that disappeared. This is called survivorship bias. We hear about the winners, we never hear about the losers. It's like walking into a casino and only interviewing jackpot winners. You'd think everyone was getting rich, but reality is very different. For every meme coin that becomes famous, thousands die quietly. Liquidity disappears, communities vanish, developers abandon the project, and investors are left holding worthless tokens. The winners get headlines, the losers get forgotten. The sixth reason is following influencers blindly. An influencer posts a coin, the coin pumps, followers rush in. But what many traders don't realize is this: the influencer may have bought much earlier, sometimes much earlier. By the time their audience enters, the influencer already has enormous profits. And when they sell, guess who's buying? Their followers. This doesn't happen every time, but it happens often enough to destroy accounts. Never buy something simply because someone with a large following told you to. Do your own research, always, because nobody cares more about your money than you do. Now let's talk about the biggest reason of all, psychology. This is where most traders lose the battle, not against the market, against themselves. The market creates powerful emotions: excitement, fear, greed, hope, regret, euphoria, panic. And meme coins amplify all of them. A trader watches their account double. They feel invincible. Then the market drops. They panic. Then it recovers. They feel relief. Then another crash happens. They become emotional. And emotional traders make emotional decisions. The trader isn't fighting charts anymore. They're fighting their own mind. This is why legendary investors and traders spend so much time studying psychology, because mastering yourself is often harder than mastering the market. So what should you do if you want to survive in meme coins? First, never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Treat meme coins like speculation, not guaranteed investments. Second, always have an exit plan. Know where you'll take profits before entering. Third, use position sizing. No single trade should be capable of destroying your account. Fourth, ignore the noise. Most social media posts are designed to trigger emotions. Don't let them control your decisions. And fifth, focus on longevity. The goal isn't to get rich in one trade. The goal is to stay in the game long enough to catch multiple opportunities. Because the traders who survive usually outperform the traders who gamble. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Meme coin trading isn't a wealth strategy. It's a psychology test. Every pump tests your greed. Every crash tests your fear. Every opportunity tests your discipline. And the market doesn't reward the smartest person. It rewards the person who can control themselves. The trader who can stay patient when everyone else is chasing. The trader who can take profits when everyone else is dreaming. The trader who can accept losses when everyone else is hoping. Because in the end, most meme coin traders don't lose money because the market is unfair. They lose money because they fall into the same psychological traps over and over again. The good news is, once you understand those traps, you can avoid them. And that alone puts you ahead of most traders in the market. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content on trading psychology, market behavior, and the mindset used by professional traders. Because the biggest edge in trading isn't a secret indicator. It's understanding how your mind works when money is on the line. And once you master that, everything changes.